Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import or export Shopify products. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Now, if you want to transfer a large amount of product information between Shopify and another system, then you can use a specially formatted spreadsheet to import or export your data. Shopify uses CSV or comma separated value, which will look like this. All right, these are the kinds of files that can perform a bulk upload or bulk task. CSV files right here is useful when you switch to Shopify from another platform or when you want to make many changes to your products or inventory. All right. Now the way to upload this particular CSV, right? I'll open this up. This is a sample CSV from Shopify itself. All right. So you can see here, if you're having problem understanding every lines right here, well, for more detailed information on what each column of the CSV template requires or their definitions, don't worry, I have a link in the description that you can check. All right. Now here, open up your Shopify admin. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to content, click on content, then go ahead over to files, click on it. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on upload files right here, click on it and open up the CSV, all right, or the spreadsheet. Highlight it and hit on open. And as you can see here, it is uploading. Simply wait for it. And it says file uploaded. There we have our CSV, which is named product template. What we're going to do next is just highlight this one, click on it, and here are the details. Now, if you want to export it, just go ahead and click on export right here, right at the top right. All right, just click on it. And as you can see, you can go ahead and save this to your desktop. For example, template 2, save, done. There we have it. That's basically how you import and export Shopify products using CSV. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.